2 eggs, 1/2 cup cooking oil, 1/2 cup yogurt, 1 teaspoon Nescafe, ayan, dinisolve ko lang sa hot water. One tablespoon Hershey's Cocoa, 1/2 cup ng desiccated coconut, 1/2 cup, ayan, sugar, then mekos. Tapos, i-add natin ang semolina. 1 teaspoon ng baking powder. And then, mekos again. Umiikot guys yung ano ko guys. And guys, isprayan natin ng roasting spray ang Pyrex para hindi didikit yung chocolate basbosa natin. Tapos, mag-spray tayo ng desiccated coconut. Yan. Yan. Then, ano tayo guys, preheat ng oven, 180 and bake for 25 minutes to 30 minutes guys. Isasali natin dito yung semolina mixture natin. Tapos spread natin. Ayan na guys. Sugar syrup, ayan. 1 cup ng water and 2 cups ng sugar. 1 cup of water and 2 cups of sugar. So, ayan na guys. After 10 minutes, tapos na yung sugar syrup natin.
3 weeks later, many months later.
So, eto naman, yung choco basbosa natin is lalagyan natin ng sugar syrup kanina guys na ginawa ko. Ayan. Eto na siya. Bubuhos natin. Ayan. Ayan guys.